Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My experiment is dancing paper. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself ZAINAB. I study in class 3rd. As we know cleanliness, so I will show the importance of cleanliness through my experiment. Here I have a plate full of water. As you can see, and as you can see, some impurities in the water. And dip it in the plate. We observe there is no change. Now I will apply soap on my finger and dip it in the plate. We observe the germs are moving far away. So before and after meal we should wash our hand properly to be healthy. Thank you.